Hello guys, good afternoon. We are going to make a special burger today. Insert this material into the oil. We have our special master chef with us, Mr. Saleem Hunzai, an expert chef in Italian cuisines. Just look at that, it starts popping up in the fry pan. Oh my god. And here is a milk tea, special Pakistani Pathan chai, but this one is namkeen chai, salt free. Sorry, this is beef burger or chicken burger? This is chicken burger. You can go to the shop, just tell him this dessert with special buns. Oh my god, this is cheese, this is amazing. Here you can see. Now almost the chicken patties is going to be ready. It starts getting brown, and then we have already cutted the tomato and cucumber, and here we have the cheese almost in line. I already told you here is the bun. Oh my god, it's crispy. Now start making hot this bun. It's almost in the finishing form. And here we have the crispy chicken pieces and the inner part, but still this is in line. Okay, now start putting this mayonnaise. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Mayonnaise, and now we have the last piece. Finally he made inline everything. Wow, superb. Now tomatoes to each. You're making it double, huh? Yes. One double and two single cucumbers. First layer is a bun, then you have the layer of this chicken, then you have the layer of this tomatoes, and the next layer is of cucumber. But the first layer after the bun was mayonnaise. Keep in mind, don't forget. So the next is going to put the layer of this cheese, the tasty cheese. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is double burger which is selling for you in around 10-12 dirhams. Cheese is coming out. Here's the cheese layer. First layer of cheese, then we have another layer of cheese, and I think here he would put two layers of cheeses, one down and one up. Yeah, he told us two layers. One is enough for me. One is enough for me, and I think you need the two layers also. The down. Oh my god, that's crunchy. some oil. You can cooking oil. It's just calculated cooking oil. We will put in, cover up with the its button. It will be, oh my god, this is amazing. This is amazing.
आपको सिंगल चीज चाहिए और डबल
Singles, okay. Single. It's okay, no problem.
सिंगल क्यों खा रहा है? डबल अच्छा है.
No problem. Now he is going to make another cheese, double cheese. What? That's super. Now it's going to be covered with its upper layer, which is also, oh my god, it's covered now. In the final phase, we will put it up the next layer. Oh, now the layer is coming to it. Oh my god, the layer is there. Now we need to close it with its upper cover, and like this. Okay, our burger is ready to eat. Let's have some fun.